just switching through the colors. These are all the colors you can go ahead and choose from. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Now you guys can go ahead and see we have the new Wolf's carbon fiber steering wheel that I went ahead and actually installed. Now it looks really beautiful, and this is something I've been waiting for since I installed it, but I wanted to go ahead and actually do it with you guys. So I'm right here just switching through the colors. These are all the colors you can go ahead and choose from. I'm just showing you guys right now because once I have it preset, I'm not going to go through this again. But I mean, it's really simple to go through it. It's just a little bit of a process, honestly, but I mean, it is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and actually put Wolf's YouTube channel on the in the description, so you can go ahead and check out the entire videos if you do pick one up yourself. But I would highly recommend to go ahead and use code Jacobs to save yourself some money. But without further ado, you guys would have already seen what I picked, so enjoy the video. All I gotta say is I love this thing. So here we go. Oh man, that is beautiful right there. Perfect. So if you guys actually want a video on the installation, I will be happy enough to actually go ahead and explain to you guys. It was a little bit confusing, but I did get it done and it works perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick. There you go. So as you guys have seen, I already have all the Wolf's carbon interior wise. So I had to finish it off with the actual carbon fiber steering wheel, with the actual LED lights, with the little screen. If you do want to go ahead and pick up any of this, go ahead and use my code Jacobs to save yourself a little bit on that. Alright, so right now we're on our way to meet up with Beast from the Middle East. He's literally right here in this corner. Well, people are getting kicked out, so I'm trying to figure out where he's going to go next. So we're still trying to figure out some Mexico runs right now. We got the only Roush that I've actually ever seen in person. Well, newer obviously, but damn, it's wet. Huh?
Yeah, hey bro, that's your car there?
Yeah, Shelby.
How much do you make?
I'm on 91 right now, so it's been like just over 500, like at 500.
How the fuck's that gonna be a good run for me?
They're doing 100 for a foot race.
Get that wins in.
Oh, you ain't shit over there? Is it?
Damn, bro, this truck is wet.
Damn, bro.
I'm getting like being loud. Jeez.
So we got separated for like 2 hours. We ended up in the same spot. It's just funny, dude. Bro, where the fuck are we?
I've been in